Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan App. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Amazon affiliate marketing on TikTok. If you're new to the affiliate marketing, don't worry, we've got you covered. So I'll be breaking down the entire process step by step so you can grasp it fully before taking the plunge. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? So it's a simple process where you promote and sell products or services from other companies. So earning a commission for every sale you generate. Take Amazon. For example, with its Amazon Associates program, when people click on your unique affiliate link and make purchases within 24 hours, you earn a percentage of that sale as commission. So it's a straightforward concept, and Amazon pays affiliates anywhere from 4% to 10% on most physical products. Now, how does TikTok fit into this equation? So TikTok boasts over 1 billion monthly active users, providing a massive audience to tap into for promoting your Amazon affiliate links. The key is to create an engaging videos or a set of engaging videos showcasing cool Amazon gadgets or products. As your videos gain traction, the affiliate sales will start pouring in. So let's break down the step-by-step formula for success in Amazon affiliate marketing on TikTok. So step 1, sign up as a Amazon associate. So head to the Amazon affiliate program. Now from here, you need to go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. You could also view this link here at the very bottom section of the Amazon website here. As you can see at the very bottom here, you would have the option to become an affiliate. So let's go ahead and click on it. And in here, what you need to do is just click on sign up. And from here on, just complete the application process. And once you've submitted your application, you just need to wait for Amazon to approve your account. Now from here on, you also want to ensure that you have a TikTok account ready, as Amazon requires a website or social media account for approval. Now for step 2, obtain your unique Amazon Associates tracking ID and affiliate links. Explore the reporting tools in your associates account to track link traffic. So it is potential earnings and a lot more. Now for step 3, find viral products and ideas for researching trending Amazon affiliate videos on TikTok. Look for popular accounts and pay attention to the products and categories getting the most views and engagement. Now for step 4, make your own versions of trending videos. Put your unique spin on what is already working by promoting handpicked products using your affiliate links. Step 5, share your affiliate links prominently. After posting your TikTok video, comment with each product link using your associates' shortened URLs. List them cleanly with each product name or number. Now, for step 6, keep creating new affiliate content consistently. Aim for 1 to 2 new TikTok affiliate videos every day, and the more content you create, the more potential views, traffic, and commissions that you'll get. So by following the formula, your TikTok affiliate income will quickly compound over time, and soon you'll be earning a substantial income from Amazon. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan App. Thank you for watching.